In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store secrets in Retool. We'll walk through the process of connecting Retool to AWS so you can securely manage secrets in a more organized way. This is especially useful if you want to avoid hard-coding sensitive values directly into your apps or workflows. Keeping secrets stored properly helps improve both security and maintainability. To get started, open Retool in your browser. Once you're inside your Retool workspace, look at the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the main navigation options for managing different parts of your environment. From the top toolbar, click on Resources. The Resources section is where Retool lets you create and manage connections to outside services, databases, and cloud platforms. Since secrets are often pulled from external systems, this is the right place to begin. After that, click on Create New. This starts the setup process for adding a new resource to your Retool workspace. When the resource options appear, choose from AWS. This tells Retool that you want to create a connection using Amazon Web Services. Next, you'll need to provide your AWS IAM access key. Enter the access key into the appropriate field carefully. After that, add your AWS IAM secret in the secret field. Make sure you enter both credentials accurately, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working correctly. As a quick best practice, be mindful when handling these credentials. Avoid sharing them in screenshots, messages, or documentation, and make sure they're only entered into trusted fields within your secure environment. This helps keep your AWS account protected while still allowing Retool to access what it needs. Once both the AWS IAM access key and AWS IAM secret have been added, click on Set Up. This finalizes the connection between Retool and AWS and allows the resource to be configured for secret storage and retrieval. If everything is entered correctly, Retool should complete the setup and your AWS-based resource will be ready to use. At that point, you can continue working with your secrets in a much safer and more scalable way than storing them manually inside your app. That's the full process for storing secrets in Retool using AWS integration. As you go through this setup, take your time with the credential fields and double check your entries before finishing. A careful setup now can save troubleshooting time later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.